Hi, I'm Rob Thomas, and I'm a Regents Professor of Geology at the University of Montana Western in Dillon. This coming spring, I'm going to be offering an OLLI Zoom class entitled Geology of Montana and Yellowstone National Park. Now, my goal with the course is to help you understand a little bit about how the Earth works, to learn the deep time history of Montana, and to better appreciate the relationship between Earth processes and our Montana home. This is a Zoom class, and it'll be offered on Mondays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., and it's designed for you, the layperson. The specific offerings include the geological history of Montana on February the 24th, the geological history of Yellowstone National Park, which will be on March 3rd, the evolution of the Upper Missouri River, which will be on March 10th, the geology of hot springs in Montana and Yellowstone National Park, which will be on March 17th, and mine waste remediation on the Upper Clark Fork, which will be on March the 24th. Now, each presentation will be followed by plenty of time for questions and discussions. And there's no required readings for this course, but if you want to pick up a second edition of the Roadside Geology of Yellowstone Country or Roadside Geology of Montana, I'll make $1.50 off each one of those books, which kind of barely qualifies as self-promotion. So thanks for considering, and hope to see you online this spring.